Welcome to this brief screencast where today we're going to see how easy it is to create and deploy a MicroProfile application on the Tommy application server. One of the easiest ways to create a project is via the MicroProfile starter at start.microprofile.io. I'll open that page now. As you can see here, we can easily specify the Maven group ID and artifact ID for the project we want to create. Let's change that now to something that we can test. As you can see, we can also specify the MicroProfile version. This can be anything from the latest 2.2 back to 1.2. You'll also notice that depending on the version you choose, you get different application servers showing. So for this demo, we're going to choose MicroProfile 2.0 and the Apache Tommy server. Since we're not particularly interested in any examples of MicroProfile at this time, rather than how to create an application, I'm going to unselect all of these options, just to create an empty project. I can now press the download button and the application will be downloaded to my machine. Now, since I'm on a Mac, I can just double click on the zip file to unzip it. Then we can start it up quickly just using Maven. So to build and deploy this on Tommy, we simply execute a maven package tommy run command. You can see now it's unzipping the Tommy distribution and it will now run Tommy with the application that we've just created. There we go, Tommy started up in 7 seconds. We can now just quickly look at the code for what we've built. What we can see in the source folder is that we've got two main Java files. We've got a REST application which defines /data as the root of the application, and the hello controller which specifies /hello as our resource URI, and it simply says hello world. We can now view that in the browser. HTTP. And there's our hello world message. So as you can see, with MicroProfile Starter and Tommy, we can quickly scaffold and deploy Java EE MicroProfile applications. I hope you've enjoyed this quick demo. If you've got any questions, please leave them as comments below. Until next time, thanks and goodbye.